I'm working the simulation of rope on these edges here. I've done a little bit of this part. Now I'll just show you how I'm going about doing this. I'm using a number 15 V-tool, and I've marked out with pencil some 3/8 inch spacing, and then what I do is I start a horizontal cut, and then I turn up toward the top, come across the top, and then come back with a cut on the other side. So let me get another one going here. It's a little awkward. Cutting on a small rounded surface like that, because it requires positioning the tool all the time. I start a little straight and then try to come up at a little bit of an angle across the top. And then come down like that. So that's the procedure I use. Then I do the opposite way on the other side. So it's an interesting little detail.